We see monkey, 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 monkey. They're gonna come back in there somewhere in there. We can hear them.
Monkey.
Monkey.
Monkey. Monkey.
We got some monkey. Okay, so we made it. I'm not gonna do anything because I said boom, we're gonna be on the boat. We made it. Are we on the boat? Allez. So beautiful. So you could choose between 3 routes. We took route 1.
I think we had our worst cave experience already.
But I'm looking for that first cave. It's so tight, we need to pull. Keeps on going. It's getting smaller and smaller. Oh, I can see light. I can see the outside. Here we are. I thought it was done. There's another one coming. You're gonna need your head. You're a real explorator. So we're getting one more. It's called Sign Cave. It's a 100-meter cave. Goodbye. Oh wow. Are you like me and you're curious? I want to know what's under the water. I'll take you. If there's big fish, small fish will catch them. What? Dans une dinner? Dans les bananiers. There. We see monkey, 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 monkey. I like monkey. They're gonna come back in there somewhere in there. We can hear them. I should have my own Animal Planet channel. They're looking at us. They're probably somewhere. Oh, I can see some leaves moving. I would love to see monkeys. This one should be slightly bigger. Is that a bat? Oh yes, it is. Phew, phew, phew. Don't you worry, baby. She's not gonna eat us. You think that is cave wine? We will soon arrive to table number 2. Look at this water. Blue, 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 blue. See-through blue. So I think we need to walk and climb to reach the temple. How does it feel to be an explorator?
I love it.
Oh, we love it. She love it, I love it. That's our captain.
Boat trip number 2.
Are you ready, my lady?
Yes, I'm ready.
Excited?
Yay.
Oh, yes. Seems like there's a bit of confusion here. They don't know who's gonna sit where. I think they've been in 5 different boats. He also looked a bit confused. What a mess. A good mess. We love that. We got our captain. That's gonna be our captain. Yes! Yes! Ah! We go there. It's okay. We want you.
Okay.
1.
Yes.
And 1.
Yes.
Little one goes in front. Yes. We are ready for adventure. Hello, Captain.
You were trying to snap the best viewpoint, huh?
I was.
Let's go. Hi, Scott.
So we just went through our first cave. We saw monkeys. Today our mission is to go and find the goat. So today we're going to find So today we're going to find the mountain goats, somewhere in those mountains. Hello.
Okay, we have our own.
No, it's okay. Ooh, little collision. We go so fast. No time to waste.
No.
Let's find those goats.
Yes.
Hey, animal. We got some duck there. Live duck. Duck. Vietnamese duck. Tastes good. They have the most beautiful symmetry. I will show you, I will try, because it's a bit hard to capture the beauty of it from far. I'll take a little video to show you. So you see they're right there. Very strong leg.
Like workout.
You can do marathon after. Yeah. I'm curious to see how many back and forth she can do in one day, because it's 7 kilometers she's doing. I'm gonna try to ask in Vietnamese.
Bạn có thể làm được bao nhiêu lần trở lại và thứ tư trong một ngày?
3 days.
3. Woof. One.
3 days.
Okay, and then 3-day rest.
4 gram. 1.
Okay. So 1, I think. Because it's a lot. Then 3 days of rest. What's beautiful with this as well is you have all those lotus flowers everywhere. But we heard yesterday that it's not the good season right now. This is May, June, right?
Yeah, right.
May.
Fully là no fully là how by right.
But when are they big?
Yes,
In the summer.
Yes.
Summer. And we are now entering the first cave. It looks very wide, dark, but beautiful. Oh, we're getting into those big and wide area with the mountains. It's beautiful. You're gonna have a beautiful shock when you're gonna turn.
Wow.
How was that first cave?
It was very, very beautiful actually. It was like kind of this shape.
Different from yesterday.
Yes. Very nice.
So you can see we are surrounded by all those beautiful flowers. Lotus flower on our left, on our right. It's pink. Then you come here in the summer, it must be beautiful. Beautiful. I just have a feeling. And in travel, when you have a feeling, it's because it's gonna happen. Stay tuned, you're gonna see some goat.
Monkey.
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 We got some monkey. Yes, I see it. Right there. I need to zoom. I know where they are. It's right there. You want help?
It's okay? Ah, okay. Yes.
Let's go, Captain. I can hear the goat from far away. I can hear them. I know they are there. They're teasing us.
I think you're hallucinating now, babe. There's both.
They are there. I know. I heard them somewhere in that direction. Keep on looking. We're traveling for 6 months, so we have no place in our luggage. We have tips for you, but no cards. We have no place.
They're very beautiful.
We cannot take any souvenir. You're so cute.